Oh, this one is such a very sad case in the sense that nobody will want to wish this on their worst enemy. This is a celebrity. Her name is Nana Ya Appiah, who recently lost her 17-year-old daughter. And it wasn't something that was, expected. I mean, a 17-year-old just don't die. So this kid just died, and they buried her. A lot of controversy around, the cause of her death. And it looks like Nanaya it's not happy and it's not convinced that it was through natural causes or through some kind of regular illness that caused the death of her child. So she embarked on a journey to go back to the graveside to go and curse whoever she thinks is the reason behind the death of Nibano. One more hand was in the Indian who said Nanaya Niba, your 17-year-old students were on Nariti or Dio say a malaria. Or say malaria something plus, and Mikofo Baby Hona or Wi-Fi you could see here a whole lot of what's the young Coca-Cola. And them say on a small John, the boy do not say I am passing our funny way of natural causes to Chocobudia. No called graveside. Okuhu abofre ni grave ni phone no na no he fa. Na oba time. Ah ni ba ewu ya see. Na ogina ho na osu. Wa mo hwe video no. Za meti. Ahweti oba die ati die ni amani hu. Die na nobody will ever wish this on their worst enemy. Okay, Yamefa bo fani Christ ye na Yameso ko fanti chore na ompeja no mo ahode. Wati na ombo a referee emma na we fika cry because I am shishie. You cannot live every single day with the memory, this hurtful memory of the demise of your child forever. Everybody ma a referee embra. No ma referee also. Wati, Yamefa ho.